What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network. And today's guest is not only a cleaning business owner, but he's also a fellow YouTuber. And I've been keeping my eye on him for a while now, y'all. And I've just been waiting for the right time to bring him on. And I've been checking. I said, you know what? It's finally the right time to bring him on. He's been killing it on both sides, on YouTube as well as in his cleaning business. So without further ado, please welcome Mr. DJ the Boss. What's up, DJ?
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
Well, we're going to have to get some type of applause sound effect or something up in there.
Thank you, man. It's a pleasure to be here. Finally get the chance to speak with you, man. I've been, obviously, watching you for a long time, and you've been keeping an eye on me for a long time too. So it's a pleasure to finally meet you, man. I don't do the things that I'm doing online without you existing. So I just want to say, appreciate you and thank you for everything that you do for the community as well. You're definitely, obviously, an inspiration to people like me.
Now, out of all of the businesses to start, why start a cleaning business? And when did you start, by the way?
I started about 8.5 years ago. I can't really say how I found cleaning in particular. I was just going through something and I was learning about financial literacy, and I'm trying to figure out how to fix my financial situation, the current situation that I was in. And it was my first time kind of hearing about having a personal budget, let alone starting a business. I was at the beginning. And as I'm thinking of ways to kind of increase my income and have more control of my income, I'm looking at a lot of businesses to start and the things that would be easier to start. And of course, anything that's blue collar cleans on that list as well. And so I ran across cleaning and I kind of kept it out in the list of potential things that I could do. The more I studied business and the more I kind of looked at my situation, it kind of started to match up to be the perfect fit for me.
That's what's up.
All the entrepreneurs, just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. This for all my